Welcome to the operational guide for the Ultrasonic Watch Cleaning Machine SE. First, connect the machine to a power source and turn it on. In the Language section, select English to switch the display language. Next, tap the switch button located in the lower right corner of the screen to lift up the basket. Before operating, we need to remove the transit packaging. Take out the first jar and remove the protective sponge gasket underneath it, which was used to buffer the machine during transportation. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 stations. Now, let's prepare the cleaning stations. Take out the ultrasonic metal jar. Pour in your watch cleaning solution using a 1:9 ratio of solution to distilled water. Make sure the liquid does not exceed the maximum fill line, then place the jar back into the machine. For the remaining 3 glass jars, fill them respectively with distilled water, a second rinse of distilled water, and alcohol with a concentration of 95% or higher. For each station, the system features an automated usage counter for your solutions. You can set a reminder to track how many times a cleaning liquid has been used. For example, to set a reminder for position 1, simply tap the on icon and set the limit to 5 times. The machine will automatically count the cycles and let us know when the liquid reaches its limit. Position 1, ultrasonic cleaning station metal jar. Positions 2 to 4, rinsing stations glass jars. Position 0, drying station. Tap the home button to return to the home page. The basket will automatically return to position 0. Switch off the basket set, place the watch movements and parts that need cleaning inside the basket, and secure it by switching it back on. Tap the far left button in the top row of the menu. Here, you can manually turn each individual station on or off according to your requirements. Navigate to the Position 1 Cleaning Mode menu. You can choose from 5 preset cleaning modes where a higher number represents higher cleaning intensity. You can configure the specific cleaning mode for each subsequent station here as well. Then we can go to the drying station settings to choose between cold air, hot air, or turning the drying function off. Return to the home page and tap the far left button in the second row. Here, you can customize the cleaning time and the spin dry time for your cycle. For position 1, you can also adjust the ultrasonic intensity by selecting your desired ultrasonic power percentage. Return to the home page. Once you have configured your cleaning modes, times, and intensities, simply tap the Start icon to begin the automated cleaning routine. Thank you for choosing our Ultrasonic Watch Cleaning Machine SE. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please feel free to contact our support team.